Can you believe what just occurred? Bangalore is battling severe flooding. Following relentless rains today, May 20th, widespread waterlogging has brought the city to a standstill. Traffic disruptions are rampant across numerous key areas. Tragically, the severe weather has claimed lives. A woman died from a wall collapse. 2 others were electrocuted. Authorities are responding. The INT issued a red alert for Karnataka, with officials on the ground addressing these widespread issues. The alert continues for the next 2 days. Please stay cautious as the city navigates this challenging time.